My name's Tyler Trainer, and today we're going to be looking for a suspect. Maybe we can throw some shots at him. I think we can get him down though, but it's pretty hard. Alright, my dog's gonna help me. Spiggly! Spiggly! Okay. Alright, anyways. Whoa. I found him. Oh no. Alright. That was great shooting. Okay, now let's check out the results. Ew, so close from a bullseye. That was great, that was great, that was great. Alright. Tune us in for my other video. It's gonna be another shooting video. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.